What's up everyone, this is Fad from Cosmic and I'm back with a new tutorial. In this one we're going to create some grunge typography inside Photoshop. So first, make sure that your image size is about 300 or above. Mine is set to 300, so I'm gonna press OK. I'm gonna invert this background. Then I'm gonna take the text tool and type in something like Holy Grunge. I'm gonna scale it up, gonna press OK, and we're going to use an action I've been working on for the last month, which is called the Grunge Machine. And what this action allows you to do is to create grunge typography, logos and graphics quickly and easily, and it is fully customizable. As you can see, you can create some pretty nice results with it. It also comes with 6 bonus photocopy textures and 32 grunge textures to create diverse effects. So if you're interested in this action, I'm gonna leave a link in the description with a discount code so you can get it for much cheap. Alright, let's get back to our Photoshop document. So it is important to set the type color to white before launching the action. So make sure to do that. So I'm going to go to Grunge Machine and I'm gonna hit play. As you can see, the action is doing the work for us. Look at that. We're going to tweak it. So as you can see, we have a Gaussian blur slider, a threshold slider, and a crystallize effect. So each of these settings gives us the ability to tweak and create diverse effects. So I advise you to play around and try different settings to come up with different results. What we can do now is to edit this grunge map to create some custom results, and to do that I'm going to jump into this S01 layer. I'm gonna double click. So as you can see, this grunge map is live, which means you can adjust its scale, you can adjust its position, and you can play around and bring in more and more grunge maps. So what I'm gonna do now is control click on the text layer, and then I'm gonna create a mask on the texture layer or the grunge map layer. So what's good about this effect is that you can layer in multiple grunge maps and textures, which gives you the ability to customize and create more unique looks. So I'm gonna press save to see the results. So as you can see, look at the effects of the tweaking we did here. So I'm gonna decrease the Gaussian blur a little bit, and I think I'm gonna use another Grunge map and delete this one. So I'm gonna use maybe this one. First thing is rasterize the map, and I'm gonna pick the magic wand tool, click on the black and press delete, and then invert. So I think I'm gonna bring it right here and press OK. So as you can see, we have total control over the effects. We can edit how clear it looks and how much ink bleed it has. So it is fully customizable. You can play around with multiple textures or Grunge maps to create more custom effects and diverse looks. So I think I'm gonna take this, rasterize, and create a mask for this one as well as this one. I think I'm gonna move this one right here, press save, and as you can see, we've created some pretty nice ink bleed slash grunge effects in a matter of seconds, quickly and easily, and it is fully customizable, so you can add in as much grunge maps as you want. So I hope you found this video useful. If you're interested in the action, I'm gonna leave a link in the description to check it out. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and let me see you in another video.